Hey guys, so I'm vlogging today and right now I'm on the way to the mall with two of my oldest friends. There's Jessie and Nikita, and we've known each other since like middle school?
12.
Right? Since we were, yeah, I think I was 11, yeah. So long time. And Nikita lives in Puerto Rico now, so we only get to hang out like once a year around like Christmas time ish. So it's November now, obviously. And yeah, we're just gonna go hang out at the mall, walk around and stuff, and I thought it might be fun to vlog. So that's what I'm doing. What? Oh. Christmas! There is Christmas stuff. Hold on. So we're walking around the mall and we went to Barnes & Noble and Sephora so far, where obviously I bought things. But yeah. Okay guys, so I haven't vlogged in a bit, but we were just walking around the mall and now we're sitting down in, I almost said Applebee's, we're in Fridays, and I'm with Jess, and Jess has Oktoberfest beer, and I got this blood orange thing that's just delicious, and Nikki doesn't drink, so she just got a Coke, and yeah, so we're just chilling, and I decided that I'm gonna combine this vlog with some other days that we're gonna hang out. Like we're gonna have a movie day, and then we're gonna go see White Christmas at a local theater. So I'm gonna like combine all of those into one vlog since like I didn't film too much today. But yeah. So we just got our food. I got a bacon cheeseburger with avocado, and Jessie got this like mahi-mahi sandwich thing with salad, and Nikki got a classic cheeseburger, and I also got like this salad thing, but it hasn't arrived yet, so yeah. Hey, so the last clip you saw was actually from Sunday, and it is now Friday. I'm hanging out with Jessie and Nikita again, and I thought I would make it one big vlog. So it's now almost like 5 o'clock, and I'm sitting here waiting for them to come over, and I just think to myself, shit, I was supposed to vlog today. So as I'm sitting here waiting for them to come over, basically all I did today was film a makeup tutorial on this look, and now I'm here just chilling. I lit a bunch of like candles in my room, and we're just gonna have a little movie night. We're gonna order pizza and chill. I will hopefully remember to update you guys when they arrive. So Jessie and Nikita haven't arrived yet, but they should be here any second, and I decided to put on some music. I'm in my hallway right now with all the family pictures, but I decided to put on my dad has a pretty awesome stereo system, and so I've been playing a ton of vinyls lately. Let me come out of the room now so you can actually hear me. But So Jesse and Nikita should be here very soon, and I'm excited. They just arrived. Trying not to creep them out by shoving a camera in their face. Okay, my dog's gonna bark now. I wasn't even filming them. I forgot I locked this door. Hold on. Today. Also, and I'll combine it to the footage that we did at the mall. At the mall. At the mail. Elsa!
You're still going crazy.
Shut up! This is what she does when she meets anyone. Anyone. It's like, she's known Kristen like for 10 years, and she still barks whenever Kristen comes over. But so we just got our pizza, and I just like ran around the house being like, oh my god, I got a vlog! I forgot, I got a vlog! So we got pizza. We got bacon and sausage and olives and banana peppers. You're free to now take pizza now that I've vlogged it. And then we got some breadsticks and stuff.
Pizza.
Yes, pizza! Now sitting in my room. My dog is salivating over pizza. And we're about to watch Mike and Dave Need Wedding Dates. Because Nikki hasn't seen it yet. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so we finished watching Mike and Dave. What'd you guys think?
It was funny.
Oh yeah, Jesse, this was Jesse's second time seeing it. And Nikki saw it for the first time. And now, this is just the previews, but we're about to watch Neighbors 2 because neither of them have seen Neighbors 2. So we're gonna watch that, and my dog is going crazy right now. But I did Nikki's nails while we were watching Mike and Dave, and I did like red with gold sparkles. So yeah, look at my cute little doggy. Oh, look at good girl. Focus, camera, focus. So we just finished watching Neighbors 2, and the girls are gonna head out now, or pretty soon anyway. What'd you think of the movie?
I loved it. That was funny.
It was funny.
Good, good, good. I'm glad you guys liked it. So yeah, they're gonna head out, and chances are the next clip that you will see is when the three of us get together after Thanksgiving to go see White Christmas. So that's gonna be fun, and yeah, so just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm not sure what the last clip that you would have seen is. I believe it was the movie night that I had with Jesse and Nikki, because I didn't vlog at all yesterday, even though I saw them yesterday. But now it's about 1 o'clock and we're heading to go see White Christmas, and yeah, I am looking Christmassy AF right now with my Christmas sweater that you can't see, but it says Happy Elfin Holiday, and I got like green eyeshadow and red lipstick and everything. Like I am festive. Before the show, we're sitting at our little table and we're about to open our presents. So, wait a minute.
Are you peeking?
This is The ones that are for you guys. I gotta make sure who's whose. Don't remember. I'm ripping the thing about a bit. Okay, I remember now. Alright. This one's yours. This.
I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. I tried to get ones that I thought would like go together but weren't like the same thing.
So pretty, thank you. Just had to reorganize the paper.
Got you. Ow. This one's yours.
Thank you. I needed some sourdough. Oh, can't smell it. It's sealed. This is fun. Oh, nice. Oh, that smells good. Magic in the air. Thank you, Angie.
Yeah.
My favorite smells.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I love these ones. I think these have like caramel in them or something. So good. And then peanut butter cups. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Candy. Candy. Okay, now Nikki is opening Jesse's present. Aww.
It's all of them?
Yeah.
I wanted to eat all of them.
Aww.
More kitties?
Yeah.
It's kind of an annual thing now. Yeah. Now you need your cat calendar every year. So you always have to be kitties. It's like a tradition.
Aww. Oh, and it comes with a little one too.
Yeah. It's either this or the pocket calendar. Next year will be the pocket
cute.
calendar.
Oh wow. That is so cute. I love that. That is so cute. Wow. Where is this from? Well, I mean, it says what? Is that its own store?
It used to be online.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, that's adorable. I love beanies. Hot chocolate. And a candy. Oh my god, Gee, what a surprise! It's the Walking Dead and my favorite character. Oh, I love it. And this is like a hefty mug right here. This is gonna be good for hot chocolate. Yay! I love it. Guys, I'm such a bad vlogger. It's hours and hours later now. We finished the show. We went to get pizza. The show was really great. We're now back at my house. Everybody's chilling.
Hello.
And we're waiting for our friend Matt to pick us up, and we're going to see a movie. So that brings you up to speed. I just completely forgot to vlog. And now, when Nikki reminded me to vlog, I think it came up just because I was talking about what I always talk about, makeup. So yeah, I'm about to showcase the Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo Matte Liquid Lipstick. Okay, so this is just typical lip liner. Not that I expect anyone actually watching this later to not know like how to do this. You know, I'm not trying to do a serious tutorial. Just saying. But just fun memories, vlog material. I don't know. All right. essentially. You're getting the gist.
I like it so far.
Yes, and I look so attractive right now with just like half my lips lined.
This new dog came back and started rolling.
And then you will see in a few seconds it dries down, and then you can literally like eat, drink, whatever, and it really stays on for a long time. I also sent you an invite to like my Facebook page.
I did like your Facebook page.
Okay. See? All the updates are on there. But I haven't posted a video in a while. I really need to. But yeah, I have some makeup tutorials up on there and stuff like that.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so I think it's pretty much dry now. That's all you get. So I love these. Oh, hi, baby. How's a boo? How's a boo? Come here. She's like, you never came out and gave me a treat. What is wrong with you? Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Oh. Oh, baby. I was just filming myself at the worst angle whatsoever. What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? That's so boo. She's like, give me attention. Give me treats.
I have no treats.
And she remembers last time y'all were here, we had some good snacks going in this room.
Yeah. Sausage.
Yeah. No, just the timing was perfect. Like, I'm sitting here thinking popcorn, thinking about that, and just sausage.
That sounds so wrong.
Exactly.
I'm sorry, I had a completely X-rated vision pop in my
No,
head.
me too. That's why I'm laughing so hard. I know what you're talking about. I knew exactly what you were talking about. It was just...
It still sounds wrong.
It's just our horrible minds. Oh.
We shouldn't be allowed anywhere.
Can't take us anywhere.
Etiquette school or something.
I did not think that was coming. I just hit my head. Oh, wow. Oh. These shoes are so cute. I love them. Little sparkles.
Glitter.
They are really cute. Oh my god, wait, is it silver to gold in the back?
I have no idea. It just said gold. Maybe it's the lighting.
Maybe, because it almost looks like the back of the shoe is gold and then it fades to silver in the front. But it could be just the lighting.
You match the Christmas trees in the theater.
Yeah, either way, they're really cute. Anyhow.
Well, I think that's our date.
Okay, I gotta put my shoes on. Yes. So, first of all, this beanie, Jess gave it to me for Christmas. So cute. Anyway. So we rushed to get ready and get all our shit together and like ran out to the front door. And now we're all just standing here waiting. Matt lives like right down the street, so I thought he would be here by now, but not quite. So it's really dark, but we just got in the car with Matt. There's Matt. We've all known each other for like ever.
Oh, look, it works today.
Oh, look, there's a light.
It only works sometimes, though.
So yeah, we're heading to the movies. Okay, so we just got out of the movie and we saw Almost Christmas, and it was good. I liked it. It was really funny and also heartfelt and stuff, so it was good. There were these two guys next to us that were annoying as shit, and I almost got up and like murdered them. Jesse could tell I was getting pissed. Like yes, that was fucking me. Like, no. Oh, I can't stand it. I hate it. I hate when people talk that loud during movies and are like so I had to just rant, let that out. But yeah, the movie was good. It was funny. We were originally gonna see Fantastic Beasts, but it was like sold out. And we didn't want to sit front row. So yeah.
Wow. I forgot you had one of those.
So now we're heading back.
Oh, hello, little girl. Hello. Hello. Oh, my little baby. My little baby. Oh, do. What? What? Oh, no. What do you say? Tell me. What? What? What are you doing? What's my little girl doing? What you doing? I love you, baby. Oh, you're gonna steal my sock. You're gonna steal my sock. What do you got? What is that? What do you got? Elsa Boo. You go show daddy? Elsa, you silly.
Okay, so as usual, I was a really bad vlogger, and I'm back home now. Jesse and Nikki have gone home, Matt went home, and I'm home. I'm in my pajamas, but clearly haven't taken off my makeup yet. I'm actually just trying out a new lipstick, and it's the Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. And I know the lighting isn't good, but I really like it. Anyway, so I just wanted to officially end the vlog, and I know it wasn't like super exciting, but these are more for like my own memories too, rather than like, you know, other people, but whatever. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this probably long vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video.